Welcome to Fox Academy. Today we'll be learning about the expansion of cubes. Now here we are given a function that is read a plus b quantity cubed, and since the exponent has a value of 3, we're going to look at the third row of Pascal's triangle, where the first term is going to have a coefficient of 1, the second term with a coefficient of 3, the third term with a coefficient of 3, and the fourth term with a coefficient. Now before we start expanding, we're going to write down the coefficients given from Pascal's triangle. So the coefficient for the first term is 1, and we also have to take the first term and cube it, which is a cubed. The second term is going to have a coefficient of 3, and the first term is going to have a coefficient that is 1 less than the one before, which is a squared, and b is going to be raised to the first power. The third term, again, a coefficient of 3. A is going to have 1 less than the term 4, which is a to the first, and b is going to be raised to the power 1 greater than the one before, which is b squared. And the last term, a coefficient of 1. A will not be there because a is going to be a coefficient of 0, and b will be raised to the third power. So now we have changed from variables to numbers. So our new expression is 2x plus 3 quantity cubed, and we are going to expand it. So given Pascal's triangle, our first term will have a coefficient of 1, and our a term, which is 2x, will be raised to the power of 3, and we will not have a b value yet because b is raised to the 0 power. Our second term will have a coefficient of 3. Our 2x will be raised to the 1 power less, which is 2, and our b value, which is 3, will be raised to the first power. Our third term will have a coefficient of 3 again. Our a value, which is 2x, will be raised to the first power, and our 3 will be raised to the 2. Our last term will have a coefficient of 1. Our a value will be 2x to the 0, which is already 1, and our b value, 3, is going to be raised to the cubed. Now, simplifying this, we are going to have 8x cubed, 3 plus 3 times 3, which is 9, times 4, 36, x squared, plus 3 times 3 squared, which is 9, 9 times 3, 27, times 2, 54x, and 3 cubed, which is 27. Now we have successfully solved or expanded our cube.